Hello everyone! So for today's video, samahan nyo kami as we buy tiles for our toilet. So after work, diretso na kami umalis ng bahay. Sobrang init ng panahon ngayon. So this time, I'm gonna show you our mid-rise building dito sa Naga City, Kamsur. So first stop, pupunta kami dito sa Olivan Depot. So as wise na misis, kailangan nating magdo ng canvassing muna before buying or purchasing anything. So yung Olivan Depot, makikita siya along Magsaysay Avenue. Once you enter the store, you will see a lot of chandeliers. If you're thinking of home improvement, ang daming products dito, ang daming materials that you will surely like. Our tiles were thinking of something clean, kahit sa toilet siya, at something with a shade of blue. Currently, we have pebble tiles in our toilet. So habang nagka-canvas kami, available size lang ng tiles for toilet is 30 by 60. So habang nandito, tumingin-tingin na din kami ng shower since nasira na din yung shower namin sa toilet. Looking around, may nagustuhan kaming isang tiles dito. Pero since canvassing nga, so pumunta din kami dito sa City Hardware. City Hardware is located at Del Rosario, Naga City. Just the same, this store is for home improvement. Unfortunately, hindi available dito yung shade na gusto namin. Instead, bumili na lang kami dito ng adhesive cement and grout. So ayan na, for the go, push na natin ang home improvement. So since dalawa lang naman yung binili namin, so yan, isasakay na lang ni Daddy sa motor. Pag mga mabilis ang lakad, advantage yung motor. However, kapag may mga ikakarga na, kailangan talaga ng bigger na service. Pero sige lang, push lang. Manifesting tayo plus action. After that, dinap na lang ako ni Daddy sa Olivan Depot. Kailangan niya na kasing iuwi yung mga simento kasi mabigat. Bumili muna ako ng 60 pieces ng tiles. So habang kinukuha nila yung tiles, umakyat muna ako sa second floor. At tingnan nyo naman guys, ang dami ditong for home improvement. Ang daming cabinet, sofa, aparador. At I think yung iba talaga reasonable yung prices nila, as in maganda yung quality. Alam nyo ba guys, mas gusto ko na ng window shopping for home improvement talaga. Pero mas better pa rin talaga kung merong budget at bibili ka. Kaya hayaan na muna natin yan self, next project naman natin yan. Finally, na-prepare na yung tiles and this time uwi na tayo, nag-rent lang ako ng tricycle. We have been planning to buy tiles for a long time now, and finally, it's here. Super excited ako sa kalalabasan ng toilet namin. I'll be updating you guys and follow my page for more. Thank you for watching and bye!